Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're talking about the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 8% over the last 1 month. Bitcoin has seen more than 100% increase over the last 1 year. So where we're heading to in the coming days and coming weeks, Bitcoin trades around $36,900. We'll take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Can we blast above $40,000 and head to $50,000? Also take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, sentiment in the market. We have seen great return back to the cryptocurrency market and all coin seasons along the way. How will that affect the price of Bitcoin? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
The last 1 week saw Bitcoin increasing by 16%. The last 1 week saw a lot of altcoins making huge moves. We even saw some altcoins having triple-digit gains on a weekly time frame. So is the Bitcoin pump over? Is Bitcoin ready to start dumping to Goblin Town? Bitcoin trades above $36,900. We saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $37,980. That's the highest Bitcoin has traded in 2023. Bitcoin all-time highs happened on the 10th of November 2021. We saw Bitcoin trading around $68,700. Then Bitcoin is down 46% from its all-time high. Bitcoin all-time low sits at $65. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency described in 2008 white paper. Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer online currency, meaning that all transactions happen directly between equal independent network participants. Where can you get some Bitcoin if you want to get some? Guys, you can get some Bitcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. There's good times in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin created those good times. We saw Bitcoin starting the year around $16,000. Bitcoin rallied to as high as $38,000. Now, Bitcoin was in a very long bear market from November of 2021, where it topped about 2 years ago from this day. We saw Bitcoin dumping. Bitcoin took about 1 year to dump. By the 8th of November 2022, Bitcoin was already down by 78%. And that's normal in the cryptocurrency market. That's normal when Bitcoin had those kind of crazy bull runs we saw in 2021. The 2021 bull run was the sight to behold. Bitcoin rallied from $3,000. Bitcoin went to as high as $69,000, giving us more than 1,900% pump. All this happened in less than 3 years. And I believe we'll see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, but we're getting to key levels where we should be taking some profits off the table. On our model portfolio, we've taken some profits off the table. We got into Bitcoin around $17,000 and we've sold. Right now, we just have half Bitcoin in the portfolio. We made a total profit of around $27,000. We got 78% pump from that Bitcoin, which should protect some of our holdings back into altcoins. In the coming days and coming weeks, we believe the altcoin market will take over. You see our selling price for most of our Bitcoin. We sold some at $18,000, $23,000, $27,000. We made our final sale around $37,000. We believe in that 0.5 Bitcoin in the portfolio. Maybe we'll sell it in the coming days and coming weeks if Bitcoin gets to as high as $50,000. But why are we selling our Bitcoin into altcoins, guys? It's because the altcoin season index is telling us right now we're heading towards Bitcoin season. We're heading out of Bitcoin season. We'll spend majority of 2023 in Bitcoin season, and Bitcoin season means Bitcoin was performing better than a lot of altcoins in the market. But if we see 75% of the top 50 coins performing better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it is officially an alt season. And right now, the last 90 days have seen Bitcoin increase by 29%, but a lot of altcoins in the market are doing very well. If you take a look at what a lot of altcoins have done, just over the last 1 month, we're seeing triple-digit gains across the board. Bitcoin is up 8%, but I can call more than 5 coins that have given Bitcoin a run for their money in the last 1 month. Injective, 126%. FTT token, 233%. We have run 226%. Link, Solana, Tau, 0x, Immutable X, Pepe, and the list goes on. But with Bitcoin being the king of the market, we have to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing. We have to pay attention to Bitcoin dominance in the market. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market sits at around 52%, which is good to see. Bitcoin dominance even got to as high as 54%. But we're starting to see some signs of crack in Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is holding that 52% support level. If we see Bitcoin dominance breaking below 52%, It might be lights out, it might be good time for the altcoin market, because lights out for Bitcoin dominance means capital will officially start flowing from Bitcoin into the altcoin market. Anytime you're seeing a little dump in Bitcoin dominance, it means altcoins are having time to shine. We saw that happen over the last 7 days. And if we're getting into alt season, which usually lasts around 30 to 90 days, expect to see Bitcoin either going sideways or just having a legible pump compared to altcoins. Those altcoins are known to be very volatile. Bitcoin has had its own time in the sun. Bitcoin has gone from $15,500. Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $37,000. Now, Bitcoin up 144% from the bottom is something to write home about. But guys, why I don't believe Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs is because our Fibonacci retracement tools tells us so. There's going to be a key level for Bitcoin that we might find rejection there. We're already blasting one of those key levels. The 0.318 level of the Fibonacci retracement tool sits around the $37,000 level. We've seen Bitcoin blast through it. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin finding difficulties around that $42,000 level. And best case scenario, we might even still not get to 50,000. We might see Bitcoin getting stuck at $49,000. That's why we sold some of the portfolio, because even if Bitcoin rallies to as high as $49,000, guys, from where we're currently trading, Bitcoin will only go up around 33%. And the 33% pump is what you can easily see in the altcoin market. A 33% pump is what these altcoins can do even on a daily time frame. Take a look at what this altcoin has done, Celestia, in just 24 hours. That's gone up 29%. So we expect to see the altcoin market performing better than Bitcoin over the next coming days and next coming weeks. And that's why we sold some of our Bitcoin into the altcoin market. I'll be making an update on this portfolio. You can check it out on the channel. The altcoin season index tells us we are heading towards alt season, which means even though Bitcoin might be pumping, you want to pay attention to the altcoin market. As we've seen greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin can make that final move to the upside. Because if we see extreme greed, a lot of people will be calling for new all-time highs. I'm sure if you go around the cryptocurrency market right now, as that crypto market cap rallies above $1.39 trillion, as Bitcoin's market cap edges towards $800 billion, we'll be hearing more calls for all-time highs. We'll be hearing more calls that the bull market is back. Remember, guys, you don't get carried away. We're buying low on this channel. We're buying when we're down in Goblin Town. Right now, we're pumping to the moon. We're selling for some sweet profits. I believe Bitcoin will go to new all-time highs in the future. I don't think it's happening in 2023. I believe we will see this pump get to as high as $50,000. That's where the last bear will turn to a bull, and then we'll start heading back to Goblin Town. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Do you think I'm too bearish? Do you see Bitcoin going higher than my own price expectation? I want to know your own price target for the end of the year for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.